Welcome back to Auto Street. Today, we're diving into a car that needs no introduction, except of course, when it's reborn for the modern era. The 2025 Volkswagen Golf GTI MK4 is here, bringing back the nostalgia of the early 2000s while packing cutting-edge technology, improved performance, and that signature GTI spirit. For decades, the Golf GTI has been a benchmark in the hot hatch world, delivering an unmatched combination of fun, practicality, and German engineering. The MK4 GTI from the late 90s and early 2000s was a turning point for Volkswagen, blending a more refined design with turbocharged performance that enthusiasts still admire. Now, VW has taken that iconic formula and reimagined it for 2025. So, what makes the new MK4 revival special? Let's start with the design. Volkswagen has masterfully blended retro and modern elements to create something that feels both familiar and fresh. The signature round headlights return, now equipped with state-of-the-art LED matrix technology. The front grille features a subtle honeycomb pattern, reminiscent of the original MK4 GTI, while maintaining the aggressive stance expected from a modern performance hatchback. A red stripe across the front, a GTI hallmark, proudly connects the headlights and gives a nod to its heritage. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 GTI MK4 sits on stunning 19-inch alloy wheels with a multi-spoke design inspired by the classic BBS-style wheels. The body lines remain clean and timeless, with subtle flares over the fenders for a more muscular look. At the rear, dual exhaust tips, a small roof spoiler, and a refreshed taillight design complete the package. But the GTI is more than just looks. Under the hood, the 2025 Golf GTI MK4 packs a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, pushing out 290 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. That's a significant bump from the original MK4 GTI, which had just 180 horsepower in its best form. Power is sent to the front wheels via either a 6-speed manual transmission, a gift to purists, or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic for lightning-fast shifts. Thanks to an updated limited slip differential and VW's latest dynamic chassis control system, handling is razor-sharp. The MK4 GTI of old was known for its solid build and composed driving dynamics, but this new version takes it to another level. With adaptive dampers and an electronically controlled front differential, cornering is precise and confidence-inspiring. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of old and new. Classic plaid cloth seats make a return, an essential part of the GTI DNA. However, they now feature advanced bolstering and heating functions for added comfort. The dashboard is completely digital, with a 12-inch customizable driver display and a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Volkswagen's latest MIB4 software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, alongside a Harman Kardon premium sound system for audiophiles. Volkswagen has also focused on sustainability and technology. The GTI MK4 Revival features a mild hybrid system that improves fuel efficiency and allows for smoother power delivery. It's not a full hybrid, but the 48V system provides an extra boost when needed, reducing turbo lag and making city driving more efficient. On the road, the 2025 GTI MK4 delivers an experience that is both engaging and refined. The turbocharged engine pulls hard from low revs, and the 6-speed manual provides a tactile, rewarding feel for those who love to row their own gears. The dual-clutch automatic, on the other hand, is rapid and smooth, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer effortless shifting. The exhaust note has also been tuned to produce a deep, satisfying growl, enhanced by an active valve system that opens up when you push the car harder. Technology extends beyond the driver's seat. The new GTI features an advanced driver assistance suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even semi-autonomous driving capabilities. While the GTI remains a driver's car at heart, these features make daily commuting easier and safer. Volkswagen has made it clear that the 2025 Golf GTI MK4 is more than just a nostalgic throwback, it's a serious hot hatch built for the modern era. It respects its roots while embracing the future, giving enthusiasts the best of both worlds. Whether you're a long-time GTI fan or someone new to the world of hot hatches, this car has something for everyone. So, what do you think? Has Volkswagen nailed the perfect blend of past and future with this GTI revival? Would you take the manual or the dual clutch? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and keep the passion alive.